Good afternoon, everybody. I am Sridhar. I am having 20 years of experience in accounts, costing, and finance fields. The main aim of this video is to show that with the integration of Copilot into Excel, we can generate automated MIS reports with just by the click of a button. Here you can see here there are 4 sheets. This is quantitative data. This is schedule 3 balance sheet. This is schedule 3 P&L, and this is costing trading P&L means this is the cost sheet of the non-rental bed making company or whatever the it may be. Okay. Now I will just click button such that the report will be automatically generated using these figures. Okay. Now for example, I will press Control A. Control A, here you see what is the report generated here, pie chart. Okay, expenses distribution. This is the expenses distribution of the company for the year 24, and this is for the year 23. See, this is 44% is cost of material consumed for 22 and 24 and 23. This 33% is what? Other expenses. Okay, other expenses. If you bring this down, okay, this is other expenses. Okay. And this what is this 14% is employee benefit expenses. This is 13% in 2023. Okay, then this final cost is this 1%, and this is also 2% in 2023. Once I have this have come down. Okay, this is the expense distribution of total expenses. Okay, total expenses is 100%, and distribution is like this: material consumed, then other expenses, then employee benefits, finance cost, depreciation, and like that. Okay, this is the first report we have generated automatically by the click of a button. Okay, now the next is I will press Control B. See, this is the what is this due to material consumption analysis. Say for year 2024 and this is year 2024. This is standard yield is 84%, means 0.84. Actual yield is much more than 0.89 and 0.87 for 2024 and 2023 respectively. Now standard consumption is 26,63,000 and 21,49,000 for 2024 and 2023 respectively. Actual consumption is 25 lakhs. Actual consumption is much less than the actual consumption because yield is higher. That's why actual consumption is less than standard consumption. Here also for 2023, 21 lakhs 31,000. So variance is standard minus actual. This is 69,000 favorable variance. Plus is coming 69,000 favorable variance for the year 2023, 18,494 favorable variance. And we are having sales 73 lakhs 50,000 and 59 lakhs 52,000. Okay. So this is consumption as a percentage of 35% and 35.84%. See here, where this data is generated, and so here what are the key highlights? Yield improved in compared to in 2024 compared to the, see, this is 87%. Okay, consumption of efficiency, see here 35% here 35.81%. So consumption based on sales, consumption sales ratio decreased, means showing higher efficiency gain. Okay, high absolute consumption rose due to higher production volume. Obviously, if production is high, consumption will be high. So now what are these chart? This is the, see here, this is the standard versus actual consumption. Standard versus actual consumption. This is for the 2024 and this is for the 2023. This is the standard. This is actual. You can see that for 2024 actual consumption is less than standard. Another for 2023 actual consumption is less than standard. This is the yield trend. See yield trend. See this is the standard yield, and actually yield is much more higher. It is sloping down. So okay, for this is for 2024 to 2023 sloping down because in this year 2023 yield is less 87%, and in this thing 2024 89%, and this is the standard yields. Therefore it is coming down because in 2023 yield is less. Like that we can prepare every report with the click of a button. Now when I will go to the next report. What is the Control Shift Q, and this is the material variances report. What is formula? Standard quantity for actual standard rate minus actual quantity into rate. So for 2024 standard is this much 26 lakhs, actually 25 lakhs. Favorable variance we are getting. Price variance because of prices. If you see to quantitative data, you can see here quantitative data. See raw material prices are decreasing. Raw material consumed, actual rate is 14.70, standard is 14.25. Prices are increasing, therefore negative variance. Here also price is 14.50 and standard is 14. So both the years 2024 and 2023 prices are increases. This is for 2024 14.73 actual and 2024 standard, and here 2023 actual and 2023 standard. So in both the cases, in both the years, you can see that prices are increasing. Therefore you can see that this material variances or price variances are negative here. See here, price variances are negative here. So usage variance is not as you have seen, yield is higher, usage is lesser. Therefore, you are getting forward variances here and here. So you both add price and usage means you will get cost variance. Okay, this is cost variance and also this is also cost variance. See 18,000 and here 65,000, 69,000. Okay, so this is tallying. So absolutely this is correct. So we also with the click of button we got all the variances. Now what is the next is most important under shift R. This is the ratio analysis. Okay, ratios of balance sheet P&L, balance sheet ratios. What is gross profit, sales minus profit, 42 point and 43 points. Slight decline in 2024. Okay, efficiency in operating ratio is cost of sales by sales. So it has decreased means if we improve efficiency. Like that, operating profit ratio, sales minus cost of sales. Okay, like that. Now wages ratio, salaries ratio. Okay, wages is 4%, around 4%. Salaries are around 6%. Okay, selling expenses around 8%. Inventory turnover, you see, inventory turnover is 4.34 and 8.51. You can say this inventory turnover is number of times our inventory is moving. Here it is 4. It is lesser because of our higher inventory. Current ratio 4 times, very good. You see stronger liquidity in 2024 and liquid ratio 3 times, means our debts are very less. Debtors turnover 30 days, creditors turnover 60 days, improved from 91 to 60. Okay, here also improved. Here also a slight variation, 30 days, 28 days. Okay, debt equity ratio, our debt is much lesser at. See, you can see here. Okay, balance sheet, you can schedule to the balance sheet. You can see here our debt is 10 lakhs only. Okay, short term borrowings are not there. Okay, other current liabilities or short term provisions only there. Long term borrowing strength, when our equity is 22 lakhs, 32 lakhs here. Here 10 lakhs and 90 lakhs. Okay, why in a 2024 increased? You can see here 10 lakhs, 32 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 90 lakhs, means our debt is much lesser than our equity. Okay, that is much lesser than equity, therefore 0.3, 0.1. Okay, ideally it is 1:2. Our is most higher. 1:2 means one debt and 2. This is 1 debt and 2 equity, means 1/3 it will be. It is coming to ideal proportion. Okay, 0.3 is coming near to 1/3 means 0.333 it will come. So in 2024 we are reached the ideal proportions. So what are the key highlights? Profitable ratio improved, liquidity ratio stronger, debt equity ratio reduced, and inventory turnovers. Inventory, because of higher inventory in 2024, our inventory turnover is slowed down. So we have to improve upon the inventory ratios. So this is how we can easily generate based on Excel and Copilot. We can easily generate this MIS reports. That's all.